Welcome to grade 7 maths class. This is session 18 video. In this class we are going to start with the new chapter number 4, direct and indirect proportion. Students, before we start up with the class of proportion, we just want to recall what is ratio. Ratio is nothing but the comparison of two quantities of same type. Okay, children, look at this image. They are comparing the heights. Two children are comparing their heights, and then here two neck sets are there. They are comparing with their prices. Okay, so comparing the two quantities of same kind by division, that is ratio. So next is I am going to show you one example. So here look at this image, we have the kites, another one image we have the balloons. So both we have to compare. So if we are compare means we have 5 kites, so 7 balloons. So 5 is to 7. Okay, or 5:7 or 5 divided by 7. Okay children, so in this one we can represent the images of ratio in 3 forms. Okay, so 5 is the first term, 7 is the second term. So the first term in the ratio 5, 7, 5 because kites are mentioned first. The ratio of balloons to kites is 7:5. As here balloons are mentioned first. Okay, remember that 5:7 and 7:5 are not the same ratio, as 5:7 is 5 divided by 7 and 7:5 is 7 divided by 5. Children, now I am going to show you another one example for explain this ratio. So example, write the ratio of 13 puppies to 4 dogs in 3 ways. Okay, so ratio we can write in 3 ways. 13 puppies to 4 dogs. So we can mention 13 as the first term and 4 as the second term. Okay, so first way is 13:4, and then second way is 13:4. Okay, if you are keeping the colon also we have to read it as a is 2, and the third way is 13/4. Students, now I am going to tell about the equivalent ratios. So I hope everybody clear about the ratio. Group of boys, group of girls. 12 boys, 4 girls. So 12 divided by 4 equal to 3/1 equal to 3:1. Now notebooks, here books. So 21 notebooks and 7 books. 21 divided by 7 equal to 3/1 equal to 3:1. So here also I will get 3:1. There also I got 3:1. Is the both the ratios are same? Are you thinking it is the same? Yes, they can be same. How means when we take with the boys and girls strength, that is 12 boys and 4 girls. We reduced means 12 divided by 4 we got 3:1. Now notebooks we have 21 and books we have the 7. Now we divide this 21 divided by 7 means we will get 3:1. So both are in the same ratio. It is called a equivalent ratio. So ratio that are equal when reduced to their lowest terms are known as equivalence ratio. Okay, very much important concept this one. So ratio that are equal when reduced to their lowest terms are known as equivalent ratios. Okay children, So next I am going to teach what is proportion. So if you are clear with the ratio, then only you can understand the concept of proportion. When two ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportion. Student, look at this example. 20 is to 15 proportion to the 240 is to 180. Okay, so children, that 2 colon symbol is there, no, it is called as a proportion. Two ratios, they are said as a proportion. So two ratios are equal. 20 is to 15. How ma'am? Here 20 15 irukku, inga 240 180 dana irukku. How they are equal? Means if you are reducing that 240 divided by 180, you will get same 20 is to 15. Okay va? So 20 is to 15 as 240 is to 180. Instead of that proportion symbol, we have to say as S. Okay, so 20 is to 15 as 240 is to 180. It is the proportion. Okay, children, now I am going to tell the important thing, that is terms. So all the terms, all the numbers are called as a terms in the proportion. 20, 15, 240 and 180. 20 is the first term, 15 is the second term, 240 is the third term, 180 is the fourth term. Okay children, so all the numbers are called as a terms. So next is 20 and 180 are called as a extreme terms because they are in the extreme. Extreme means end. Okay va? So it was first end, the last end la irukadnala it is called as a extremes. So middle terms, those numbers are in the middle, no, it is called as a middle terms or mean terms. Students, I am going to summarize till now what we learnt. Okay, expressing one quantity as so many times as the other quantity is called a ratio. Okay, that colon symbol is the symbol used to denote a ratio. Quantities are values converted to same units before expressing them as a ratio. Okay va? So next is ratio that are equal when reduced to their lowest terms are known as equivalent ratios. Okay, when two ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportion. Okay.
The method of
Children, next we are going to learn the two kinds of proportion. First is direct proportion. Direct proportion is that when one quantity increases, other one quantity also increases. Okay, or one quantity decreases or other quantity also getting decreases. Okay, that is the direct proportion. Next is inverse proportion. Inverse proportion is that one quantity increases or other one quantity decreases. When one quantity decreases and other one quantity increases. Okay va? So it is called as a inverse proportion. Students, till now what I explained in the video, I just given you as a notes. Okay, you start from the page number 94, start in a new page, chapter number 4, direct and inverse proportion. Okay, so put today's date and you can start to write. I given the notes for ratio, equivalent ratio, proportion, two kinds of proportion, direct and inverse proportion. Okay, after finish that we can go with the example sum, that is example 4.1. Example 4.1. Okay, if 6 children shared 24 pencils equally, then how many pencils are required for 18 children? This is your question children, very much simple. Okay, 6 children 24 pencils and then 18 children how many pencils? Okay, so put the solution here, very much interesting sums this and all. What we are doing in a lab, that only they are giving as a sum. Okay va? So number of children, you can write it here, number of children and then number of pencils. Okay, are we clear children? Look at this. So number of children, so 6 children, how many pencils? 24 pencils. Okay va? And then 18 children, we don't know how many pencils, so we want to find it. So you can write like this, Okay, then you start to take it as a equation this, and then look at this, 6 divided by 24 equal to 18 divided by x. Okay, usually I will say what we have to find here, x only want to find, so that should be in the left hand side of the equal to sign. Is it right? Yes, of course. Okay, shall we take it to the x is a left hand side, so 6 into x, okay, divided by 24 equal to 18. So now you keep this x alone in the left side, other things and all take it into the right side. So 18, this division 24 this side come means multiplication 24, multiply 6 this side come means division 6. Okay, so now you do the cross multiplication here, do the cancellation here, 6 ones are 6 threes are 18. So now I have only 3 into 24. Do the multiplication, 3 into 24, 3 fours are 12, carry 1, 3 twos are 6, plus 1 is 7. So totally I need for 18 children 72 pencils. How many pencils? 72 pencils. That's all children, very much simple. In the box நீங்க கரெக்டாக ஃபார்ம் பண்ண தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டாலே we can solve the sum very much easily. Okay, I hope everybody understand this. So now move on to the next example. Children, now look at this example number 4.2. Okay, so if 15 chart papers together weigh 50 grams, okay va, 15 chart paper வந்து 50 grams ஆகுது. So how many chart paper, many of the same type chart papers will be there in the pack of 2.5 kilogram. 2.5 kilogram. Look at this children, as I said in the starting class itself, என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன்னா ரேஷியோவில் எப்பவுமே என்னவா இருக்கணும், ரெண்டுமே சேம் குவான்டிட்டி அப்படி இருக்கணும். Then only we can take it as a ratio and a proportion. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they given the gram, so here they given the kilogram. It is not the same type. Is it right? Yes, it is not the same type. So in the kilogram we have to convert into the gram. So 2.5 kilogram is equal to 2500 gram. 2.5 kilogram is equal to 2500 gram. Now இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன், கிலோகிராமை வந்து கிராமாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஓகேவா? Now what they are asking, number of chart papers. ஓகேவா? 15 chart papers வந்து how much gram? 50 grams. Okay, here weight in grams only I am given, so you have to mention in grams. Okay va? So next, how many chart papers? தெரியாது, so I will give the x. So 2.5 kilogram, that is 2500 gram. Okay va? Now we want to find the number of chart papers. We have to find the number of chart papers. Here you can take it as a equation, 15 divided by 50 equal to x divided by 2500. Okay va? As I said before, what we have to find, that should be in the left hand side of the equal to sign. So 15 divided by 50 is on the right side. So x equal to 15 divided by 50, this division 2500 equal to this side come means multiplication 2500. So now I am do the cross multiplication. Okay, 1 0 1 0 cancel, cross division. So 5 ones are 5 5s are 25, 50 times. So now I have only 15 into 50. 15 into 50. If I multiply 15 into 50 means what I will get? Do the multiplication here. 0, 5 5s are 25. Okay, and then 50. 507. So 750 I will get. This 750 is in gram. 750 is in the 750 is in the chart papers count. Okay, so we are finding the number of chart paper is the x. So x is 750 charts. Okay children, so 750 charts oda weight தான் என்னவா இருக்கும்னா 2500 grams இருக்கும். Okay, very much simple children. Understand the concept first, then you can do by your own. Okay children, now this is page number 96. Okay, I'm going to introduce this new topic, unitary method. Unitary method, till now we learned the proportion method. Now we are going to learn the unitary method. Unitary method is nothing but first the value of one unit will be found. ஓகேவா ஒரு யூனிட்கான வேல்யூவை நம்ம ஃபவுண்ட் பண்ணணும் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இட் வில் பி யூஸ்ஃபுல் டு ஃபைண்ட் த வேல்யூ ஆஃப் த ரெக்வயர்ட் நம்பர் ஆஃப் யூனிட்ஸ் ஓகேவா ஸோ ஒரு யூனிட் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் நமக்கு எத்தனை யூனிட் தேவைப்பட்டாலும் we can find it very easily that is unitary method ஓகேவா இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணால் you can be very clear ஸோ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்கள் 10 சாக்லேட்ஸோட காஸ்ட் வந்து ₹15 எழுதிக்கேன் தென் ஃபைண்ட் ஃபார் 7 சாக்லேட்டோட காஸ்ட் வந்து ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுங்கள் ஸோ 10 வந்து தெரியும் ₹50 ஓகேவா ஸோ இப்போ 20 சாக்லேட் கேட்டாலும் இது நம்ம டபுள் பண்ணி ஈஸியாக we can find it they are not asking for more than that they are asking for less number of count ஓகேவா 7 சாக்லேட்ஸ்க்கு ஸோ 7 chocolate how we can find listen children first we have to find the rate of one chocolate that only I'm given here first the value of one unit means one chocolate we have to find ஓகேவா எந்த பொருள் கொடுத்துருந்தாலும் அதோட ஒன் யூனிட்கான அமௌண்ட்டை நம்ம கேல்குலேட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா we can find it very easily for the another number of units okay so one chocolate equal to so ₹50 divided by 10 ஓகேவா 50 rupeesக்கு 10 chocolate அப்போ 1 chocolateோட rupees எவ்வளோ இருக்கும் 50 divided by 10 is 5 am I right yes ₹5 ஓகேவா ஒரு சாக்லேட்டோட காஸ்ட் வந்து ₹5 அப்போ 10 சாக்லேட்டோட காஸ்ட் வந்து ₹50 ஓகேவா இப்போ they are asking for 7 chocolate so very much simple children 7 into 5 okay so 7 chocolates ஓட காஸ்ட் வந்து rupees 7 5s are 35 very good ஓகேவா that's it children very much simple this is called as a unitary method ஓகே எந்த பொருள் கொடுத்தாலும் அதோட 1 யூனிட் காஸ்ட் நீங்கள் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் எத்தனை யூனிட்ஸ்க்கான காஸ்ட்டும் we can find it very easily okay so next I'm going to teach you this example number 4.3 that is nothing but Anbu bought 2 notebooks for ₹24 ஓகேவா 24 rupeesக்கு 2 notebooks வாங்கியிருக்கான் ஸோ how much money will be needed to buy 9 such notebooks சேம் மெத்தடில் தான் சம் சால்வ் பண்ண போகிறோம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு 24 divided by 2 வர ஆன்சர் கூட into 9 that's all okay so solution I'm giving here okay so you can write it here okay cost of 2 notebooks is ₹24 notebooks ₹24 okay so one notebook equal to 24 divided by 2 equal to rupees எவ்வளோ வரும் 12 okay ₹12 for one notebook ₹12 they are asking for 9 notebook so you can give here 9 notebook equal to 12 into 9 equal to 9 2s are 18 carry 1 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10 so ₹108 is the cost for 9 such notebooks ₹108 okay children very much simple like this only we going to solve many sums in the exercise also understand it carefully okay so example number 4.4 I'm going to take the skip off don't want to do that you just to do whatever I'm showing here okay so next is I'm going to start up with the exercise number 4.1 okay fill in the blanks first one is if the cost of 8 apple is ₹56 then the cost of 12 apples they are asking okay why 8 apples 56 rupees cost of 12 apples equal to what they are asking so I'm going to solve it here first I'm going to find for 1 apple cost so 56 divided by 8 what will come 8 7s are 56 so 7 will come okay so then that answer into 12 equal to how much it will come 7 2s are 14 carry 1 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8 so then the cost of 12 apples is ₹84 okay so next is if the weight of one fruit box வந்து 3.5 kg then the weight of 6 such box ஒன்றும் இல்லை 3.5 into 6 அவ்வளோதான் ஓகே ஃபஸ்ட்டு 3 கூட 6 3s are 18 வரும் ப்ளஸ் இது 6 ஆஃப் 6 ஆஃப் என்ன வரும் 6 ஆஃப் இஸ் 3 ஓகேவா 2 ஆஃப் வந்து 1 4 ஆஃப் வந்து 2 அப்போது 3 ஆஃப் வந்து what will come 6 ஆஃப் வந்து 3 will come so 18 plus 3 19 20 21 so 21 what kg 21 kg here you can write 21 kg okay children so next a car travels 60 km with 3 liters of petrol if the car has to cover the distance of 200 km it requires dash liters of petrol okay va so 60 km வந்து 3 liters அப்போ 200 kilometers போகிறதுக்கு எத்தனை liters ஒன்றும் same time 60 km so this we have to solve by that proportion method ஓகேவா எழுதலாமா first 60 kilometerக்கு 3 liters next 200 kilometersக்கு how much liters we want to find ஓகேவா so 60 into x equal to 200 into 3 okay then x அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோ 200 divided into 3 divided by 60 1 0 cancel 2 times here 1 time here 2 ones are 2 tens are so we can find the answer as a 10 okay so 10 liters of petrol we need to travel for 200 kilometer so answer is 10 liter okay are you clear children so next is if 7 meter cloth rupees 294 then the cost of 5 meter cloth is what okay va can we find now okay listen here so 7 meter 5 meter 294 rupees here we don't know okay va proportion எழுதிக்கோங்க so next you form the equation here okay 7 into x equal to 5 into 294 okay now x equal to 5 into 294 divided by 7 now we can find that is we will get 7 la 294 வந்து number of times வந்து 42 times how much is time 42 so 42 times போட்டிங்களா now 5 into 42 equal to 10 carry 1 5 4s are 20 21 210 okay now listen children 7 meter வந்து rupees 294 na 5 meter of cloth வந்து rupees 210 okay children so next is question number 5 okay if a machine in a cool drink factory fills 600 bottles in 5 hours okay va it will fill dash bottles in 3 hours okay listen children proportion method la da poda porom so 5 hours 3 hours 5 hours la வந்து 600 liters na அப்ப 3 hours la how much we don't know அப்படியே cross multiplication பண்ணிக்கோங்க 5 into x equal to 3 into 600 3 into 600 x அப்படியே வச்சிட்டு 3 into 600 divided by 5 okay va 5 ones are 5 how many times 5 ones are 5 and then 5 twos are 10 so 120 varum so 3 into 120 am I right yes 3 into 120 is what we will get so 5 0 5 twos are 10 carry 1 5 ones are 5 600 so 3 into 120 equal to 3 twos are 6 0 3 ones are 3 so 360 so how many bottles we can fill it in 3 hours 360 bottles we can fill it in the 3 hours so you can write it here 360 okay that's all children now the question number 2 that is say true or false important 5 sums okay if you are understanding these 5 sums you can understand the whole concept of this chapter okay listen it properly children so distance traveled by a bus okay va and the time taken or in direct proportion they are asking the question to us okay va ஒரு பஸ்ஸுக்கு எவ்வளோ தூரம் போகுது அப்புறம் அவ்வளோ தூரம் போகிறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ டைம் ஆகுது ஸோ இது வந்து டைரக்ட் ப்ரொபோர்ஷனான்னு கேட்குறாங்க எஸ் ஒய் மீன்ஸ் இப்போது டைம் அதிகமாச்சுன்னா அதோட டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கவரேஜும் அதிகமாக தான் இருக்க போகுது ஓகேவா. இஃப் distance traveled decreases, time also decreases. ஸோ இது வந்து direct proportion. ஸோ answer you can write it here, TRUE, true. Okay, so expenditure of a family to number of members is number of members ஃபேமிலியில் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருந்துச்சுன்னா எக்ஸ்பெண்டிச்சர் செலவுகளும் அதிகமாக தான் இருக்கும். நம்பர் ஆஃப் மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்து கம்மியாக இருந்தாங்கன்னா செலவுகளும் கம்மியாக இருக்கும். ஆர் இன் த டைரக்ட் ப்ரொபோர்ஷன்? எஸ், தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ட்ரூ. Okay, so next is number of students in a hostel and consumption of food, okay va, are not in direct proportion they are telling. இப்போ number of student increase இருந்தாங்கன்னா ஹாஸ்டல்ல ஃபுட்டோட கன்சப்ஷனும் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆக போகுது. ஓகே, நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் டிக்ரீஸ்னா ஃபுட்டோட கன்சப்ஷனும் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆக போகுது. அப்போ அது டைரக்ட் ப்ரொபோர்ஷனில் தான் இருக்குது. பட் தே ஆர் சேயிங் தே ஆர் நாட், தே செட். ஸோ இட் இஸ் எ ஃபால்ஸ். இட் இஸ் எ ஃபால்ஸ். So next is, if Mallika walks 1 kilometer in 20 minutes, then she can cover 3 kilometer in 1 hour. Correct? 20 minutes ku 1 kilometer. அப்போ 40 minutes how many kilometer போவாங்க? 2 kilometer போவாங்க. அப்போ 60 minutes க்கு எவ்வளோ kilometer போவாங்க? 3 kilometer போவாங்க. So it is true. Okay va. So if 12 men can dig a pond in 8 days, dig அப்படின்னா தோன்றது. ஸோ 12 men வந்து 8 daysல ஒரு பாண்ட் தோன்றாங்க. ஓகேவா. ஸோ தென் 18 men can dig it in 6 days. they are asking 18 men வந்து டிக் பண்ண முடியுமா 6 daysல? ஓகே, ரேஷியோ சேமாக இருக்கா பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ எப்படி பார்க்கலாம்? ஸோ 12/8 equal to, you can do the division here. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. ஸோ இதோட ரேஷியோ வந்து 3:2. ஓகேவா. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இது பாருங்க, 18/6. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. ஸோ இதோட ரேஷியோ வந்து 3:1. ஓகே, ஸோ both are not equal. Both are not equal. So we have to write the answer as false. ரெண்டு ரேஷியோ டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. So children, a dozen bananas cost of ₹20. What is the price of 48 bananas? They are asking. Okay, very much simple children. So if they are not mentioned that unitary method, we have to find as in the proportion method. So எப்படி நம்ம exercise 4.1 4.2 போட்டோமோ as like the same only this sum also want to do. Okay, so listen children, I'm going to write that box here, dozen bananas. So banana 1 box. Okay va. And then cost 1 box. So listen children, dozen means we all know that 12. So 12 bananas ₹20. 12 bananas ₹20. We don't know how much banana. Okay, for the cost of rupees, what is the price they are asking? What is the price நமக்கு தெரியாது. For 40, how much bananas? For 48 bananas. So 48 bananas, how much cost they are asking? So simply you just take the cross multiplication to make the equation. So first 12 into x. ஓகேவா. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 20 into 48. ஸோ எக்ஸ் அப்படியே வச்சுக்கிட்டு 20 into 48 divided by 12. So here I do the cross division. So 12 ones are 12. How many times I can get 48 in the 12 table? Can anyone say? Yes, very good. 12 4s are 48. Now I have 20 into 4. 20 into 4 is 60. So x equal to 60. Here we are finding the cost. X is in the cost. So cost means we have to give ₹60. Okay, so ₹60 வந்து 20 bananas we can, 48 bananas we can get for ₹60. Okay va. So 12 bananas ₹20 அப்படின்னா 48 bananas ₹60. 48 bananas how much rupees? ₹60. Okay, very much simple sum children. So next is, a group of 21 students paid ₹840 as the entry fees for a magic show. Okay va. How much is students? First you write students entry fees. Okay va. அப்போ how much student? Can anyone say? 21 students க்கு rupees 840 is the entry fee. They are asking how many students that we going to form, so you give the x for that, for the rupees 1680. Okay, now you do the cross multiplication of this, okay, to make the equation. So into 840, okay, இந்த இது cross multiplication பண்ணீங்கன்னா 21 into 1680. ஓகேவா, அப்போ x அப்படியே வச்சுக்கிட்டு 21 into 1680 divided by 840. So what we will get? Can anyone say? So 840 one time போகும், 840 two time போகும். So 21 into 2. I will get x equal to 21 into 2 is 42. Here x, what we found? X is students, number of students. So you can write it here 42 students. That's all children, very much simple. Students, now this is page number 98. This is your 7th sum. A postman can sort out 738 letters in 6 hours. Okay va, 6 hours la 738 letters வந்து delivery பண்றாரு. So how many letters can be sorted in 9 hours? அப்ப 9 hours க்கு how many letters he can sort out? Okay, this is what your question. So இது வந்து proportion methodல தான் solve பண்ண போறோம். So first நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா hours, HOURS hours, அதுக்கப்புறம் இங்கே வந்து sorted, SOURTED sorted. ஓகேவா, ஸோ sorted வந்து பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஸோ hours வந்து எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள். 6 ஹவர்ஸில் வந்து 738 லெட்டர்ஸ் சார்ட் பண்ணுறாரு. அப்போ 9 ஹவர்ஸ்க்கு how much letters he can sort out? ஓகேவா children? ஸோ now இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போகிறோன்னா ஈக்குவேஷனை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறதுக்காக 6 into x or else x into 6. ஓகேவா, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 9 into 738 அந்த எக்ஸை அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ 9 into 738 divided by 6. ஓகேவா, how many times வரும் பாருங்கள். இப்போது 6ஆல் 738 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ 6 ones are 6. So 1 and then 3 get down. 6 2s are 12. Again 1 remaining, 8 get down. Okay, then 6 3s are 18. Now I'll get 0 here. So 123 times. So 6 ones are in 6 123. Appo x equal to 9 into 123. Now you do the multiplication. 9 3s are 27, right? 7 2 carry. 9 2s are 18, 19 20. 2 carry. 9 ones are 9, 10 11. So x equal to 1107. We found the letters sorted. Here you write LETTER, letters opposed. Letters sorted is x. So here 1107 letters. Okay, 1107 letters is sorted. Okay va, 6 hours 738. Appo 9 hours 1107 letters is posted. Okay, so next is, so listen children, till the sum they are not given the using unitary method, but this sum onwards they given very clearly. We want to solve by using the unitary method. As I said before, unitary method is nothing but or unit கான answer find out பண்ணிட்டு we have to find the others. Okay va, so shall we do this sum? Very much simple. Okay, solution போட்டுக்கோங்க. So 72 books is 9 kg. Okay, 72 books எவ்வளோ? books equal to 9 kg. So listen children, இப்போ 9 kgல இந்த 72 books வந்து அப்போ one book find out பண்ணுறது தான் unitary method. So 9 kg divided by 72. இந்த 72 கீழே வந்துடுது. ஓகேவா, அப்போது 9 divided by 72 பண்ண முடியுமா? We can't do it. So இந்த கிலோகிராமை we have to convert into the gram. So 9 kg equal to 9000 gram. ஓகேவா, கிலோகிராமை கிராமை கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு we have to multiply by 1000. So 9 into 1000 is 9000. Okay, 9 into 1000 is 1000 gramல multiply பண்ணாதான் we will get 9000. So இப்போ 9 kg பதிலா I will write it here 9000 gram divided by 72. Now we want to do the division. Okay, so if I do the division means what I will get, I will check it here. So 9072. Okay va, appo 72 alla divide panamana we will get, so we have to divide it 72. Okay, how many times we will get, we want to check it. Okay, 72 ones are 72. Okay, remaining how much we will get, 10 la 2 pochana I will get 8 here. Okay, then here 18 only I will get. Okay, again I'll take this 180 here. Okay, then 72 2 times I can make it. So 2 times make means 2 2s are 4. So we will get 144. Then if you subtract means you will get 360, and then 5 times you will get 72 as a 360, remainder is 0. So 125. Okay, so one books வந்து 125. Okay, gram. One book is 125 gram. Okay, then they ask us to find for the 40 books. So we have to find for 40 books. Therefore weight of 40 books equal to 40 into 125. Okay, this is gram. 40 into 125 we will get 5000. Okay, 5000 gram is there. Okay, this gram we want to convert into the kilogram. So how 9 into 1000 9000 gram it came, so like that the same we will get as a 5 kg as the answer. Okay, 5 kg da 5000 gram, or you can give. So therefore the weight of 40 books is 5 kg. Okay, very much simple and interesting sum, children. So children, this is your 10th sum. Tamarai pays rupees 7500 as rent for 3 months. With the same rate, how much does she want to pay for 1 year? That means 12 months. Okay va, so appo solution போட்டுக்கோங்க. So 3 months equal to rupees 7500. So appo 1 month cost வந்து 7500 divided by 3. So we will get rupees 2500 for 1 month. Okay, now we found for 1 month. Now they are asking for 1 year. So 1 year, that is 12 months. 12 months equal to rupees 2500 into 12. Okay, do the multiplication. 2500 into 12. Okay, 0 0 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, and then 2500 here one time. So 0 0 0 10 and then 1. That means we will get how much rent for 1 year? Rupees 30,000 is the rent for 1 year. That's all, children. Okay, 1 month kandupichingana we can find for 12 months. Okay, so next is question. This is page number 99. Question number 11. If 30 men can reap a field in 15 days. Okay, 30 men can reap a field in 15 days. Then in how many days can 20 men can reap the same field using unitary method? Okay, put the solution, children. Listen it carefully. Okay, so 30 men can reap a field in 15 days. Okay, so upon 1 man we have to find 1 man equal to 15 divided by 30. So 15 divided by 30 equal to 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So half day. Okay, 1 by 2 means half. No, 1 man வந்து half day la reap பண்ண முடியும். Now they are asking for 20 men. How much men? 20 men. So 20 men equal to half into 20. So 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. So 10 in 10 days 20 men can reap. Okay va, so 20 men can reap in 10 days. Okay va, very much simple children. So next is Valli purchases 10 pens for 180 rupees and Kamala buys 8 pens for 96 rupees. Can you say who bought the pen cheaper? Okay va, appo Valliyodathum இதோடதும் இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரோட இதை அமௌண்ட்டை வந்து டிவைட் பண்ணமானா ஸோ 1 பென்க்கான காஸ்ட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணாதான் யார் சீப்பராக பை பண்ணியிருக்கான்றதை நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ லிசன் இட். சொல்யூஷன் புட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு சால்வ் ஃபார் Valli. How much pen? Okay, 180 rupees க்கு 10 pens they bought. Okay va, rupees 180 க்கு 10 pens. Now you just find for 1 pen cost. 1 pen cost is 180 divided by 10. Okay, so equal to 18 rupees. 18 is the cost of 1 pen. Cost of 1 pen. Okay va, so next is Kamala rupees 96. How much pen? 8 pens. So 96 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 12s are. So rupees 12 is the cost of 1 pen. So who bought cheaper in that? We can find no. So 12 rupee ஒரு பென் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க, 18 rupee ஒரு பென் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ யார் சீப்பராக வாங்கியிருக்கிறது? 12 rupeeல வாங்கினது தான். So Kamala buys cheaper. Kamala bought the pen cheaper. You write it here. Therefore Kamala bought the pens cheaper. So children, next is a motorbike requires 2 liters of petrol to cover 100 kilometers. Okay va, how many liters of petrol will be required to cover 250 kilometers they are asking. So 2 liters ku 100 kilometer எழுதிருக்கேன். So how we can write it? Okay, so 1 kilometer equal to, okay va, இதை வந்து நான் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுதிட்டேன். So again I will change and write 100 kilometer க்கு 2 liters of petrol, LETRES, liters of petrol. So அப்போ 1 kilometer equal to 2 divided by 100. So 2 divided by 100, 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100. So 1 by 50 I have 1 by 50. Okay, so next what they are asking? No, 250 kilometers they are asking. How much they are asking? 250 kilometers. So 250 kilometer equal to, okay va, 250 kilometer equal to 1 by 50 into 250. 1 by 50 into 250. So what I will get in this? 1 by 50 into 250, 50 1 time, 100 2 time. So 5 times I can get. So 1 here 5. So I need how much liter of petrol? 5 liter of petrol I need to cover the 250 kilometer. Therefore 5 liter of petrol is need to cover 250 kilometer. Okay, so that's all children. Till now I have completed the exercise number 4.1. okay, so in next class I'm going to start the objective type questions of the same exercise. Okay, so I'm going to finish off this today's class. Today's home assignment is write the pages 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 and 99. So complete the examples and exercise 4.1 in your maths subject note. I will meet you in the next class. Take care and bye.